Ever get that feeling? Like when you look at a map and it just feels, I don't know, incomplete.
Like there should be more.
Yeah, like there's something beyond the edges we haven't charted yet.
I know what you mean.
Well, that's exactly where we're headed in this deep dive.
Okay.
We're going beyond the edges, beyond the maps, to explore the idea of lands, beyond the Antarctic ice walls.
Now, that's a topic that's captivated people for, well, centuries, really.
Absolutely. We're talking about the beliefs, the accounts, those mysterious restricted zones, all drawn from, well, honestly, some pretty wild stuff.
A lot of speculation out there.
That's an understatement. But for this deep dive, we're sticking with the accounts you dug up. So, to start, picture this. Massive, towering cliffs of ice, some over 100 feet high. These are the Antarctic ice walls.
The edge of the world as we know it, literally.
Yep, exactly. Or are they? Because some believe these walls aren't the end of the line, but a sort of border, hiding entire land masses beyond them.
Hidden lands, lost civilizations, the works.
Right. And it's not just land. Some accounts describe entire ecosystems tucked away behind these ice walls. Even, get this, a unique inner sun.
A sun.
That's what they say. Apparently, it creates a temperate climate, making these hidden lands habitable. Sounds like something straight out of a Jules Verne novel, right?
It does, doesn't it? What's intriguing is how these accounts describe life beyond the ice walls.
Oh, yeah. Some even claim that these hidden lands are inhabited by, well, let's just say, creatures unlike anything we've documented.
You have to admit there's something inherently fascinating about that idea, unexplored corners of the world, unknown life forms.
It's like that primal need to explore, to discover the unknown, still hardwired into us.
Exactly.
So, if these lands do exist, how do you get there? That's where the idea of openings in the ice walls comes in, these gateways to hidden realms.
Like portals to another world.
Precisely. Of course, all of this speculation leads us to a very real aspect of Antarctica: restricted access. You've got the Antarctic Treaty System, specific zones, limited public access.
And it's not hard to see why, right? I mean, Antarctica is incredibly fragile. Protecting the environment, preserving it for scientific research, it makes sense to have some level of control.
Absolutely. But it does add another layer to the mystery, doesn't it? These restrictions, whether intended or not, kind of fuel that they're hiding something, narrative.
For sure. And that idea that there's knowledge being kept from us, secrets hidden in plain sight, it's a powerful one. Throughout history, unexplored territories, blank spots on the map.
AP Dragons.
Exactly. They've always captivated the human imagination.
It's true. But on a more grounded note, we also have to acknowledge all the incredible scientific discoveries that have come out of Antarctica.
Oh, absolutely. It's a continent teeming with unique life forms with a profound impact on global climate. Understanding this ecosystem is crucial for understanding our planet as a whole.
It really is a scientific goldmine. But even with all we're learning, there's still that lingering sense of mystery, that pull towards the unknown. It really makes you think.
About what?
Well, about why people cling to the idea of a hidden land beyond the ice. Even with all the scientific evidence we have, what drives that belief?
That's a deep dive for another day, I think.
Haha, you're probably right. For now, though, we've covered the beliefs, the intriguing accounts, the restrictions, and touched upon the incredible scientific discoveries coming out of Antarctica.
It's quite a mix.
It is. So before we wrap up, a final thought for everyone listening. If you could go beyond the edges of the map, beyond those ice walls, what would you hope to find? What unexplored wonders would you be searching for?
I like that.
Something to ponder. Keep those thoughts in mind as you continue exploring, and we'll catch you on our next deep dive.
See you then.